Welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I will show you how to add audio to video in Capcut app. I know in this time and age everybody should know how to do that, but that's not a problem because I recently learned how to add music to my video on Capcut. Yes, so first thing is you have to click on new projects and just click on the video and click on add. Then here is where everything is going to work out in. So what you need to do, you can see audio right there. Click on audio and click on sound. So sounds right here are the songs under Capcut, which you can just pick from, and the rest of that. And here is where you can actually extract audio from videos from your gallery, like from your phone, your device, and the rest of that. Then the next one is TikTok, which you will have to link your Capcut account to your TikTok account in order to get sounds that you can add to your videos. And the next one is saved favorite videos. So this is actually how to add sounds, music to your Capcut. So we're going to try one out now. So let it load out. So I'm going to click on this. All you need to do is click on plus sign right here, and you can see it right here. So you can actually adjust it to where you want the song to start from. If you want to start from this side, or you can actually control that. You can see that. Yeah. So this is actually how to add audio to video in Capcut app. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.